Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope all of you are fine. Take out your books of science. Today the topic we are going to discuss is about an eye. Eye is a human organ. We can see because of eye it works like a camera. Structure of eye. The white part of eye which is present is called as sclera. There is a round black circle present in your eye. You can see that black circle. That is called as pupil. Eye has a lenses which work like a camera, and that is called as cornea. What are different parts of eye and what are their functions? Now look at that purplish area. First of all, we are going to discuss about this. First one is cornea. Cornea is called as a window of eye because cornea is the outermost layer of eye. It has 5 layers, and the outer layer of cornea protects the eye and the inner layer provides the strength to the eye. Okay. Then pupil. Pupil is a black circle that is present in the middle of the eye. The work of a pupil is to control the amount of light that entering the eye. Pupil can expand as well as contract. When the light is dim, the pupil can expand so that more light can enter in the eye. And when the light is dark or with a high intensity, then the pupil can contract so that less amount of light can enter the eye. Then comes to iris. Iris is a thin circular structure that is responsible for the controlling the size of pupil. It is responsible for the contraction and expandation of pupil. The color of the iris gives the color its eye. Sclera. The sclera is a white part that's surrounding the iris. The white portion of your eye is sclera. It gives strength and protection to the eye. Lenses are present behind the pupil in your eyes, and the function of the lens is to focus something, and it helps us in reading. Vitreous body. Vitreous body is a gel-like structure that is present in your eye cavity, and that gel-like structure gives shape and strength to your eye. Retina. Retina is a sensitive layer that is present at the back of your eye, and the that is present at the back of your eye, and it covers about 65% of the interior surface. Retina covers the most of the interior surface of the eye, that is about 65%. Optic nerve. Optic nerve carries the image from retina to the brain. As the name shows, nerves send and receive the messages. So, optic nerves receive the message from the retina and then send that message to the brain. So, how your eye works? The eye works like a camera. First of all, the light enters through your eye. Light enters the eye through the cornea, then it moves into the pupil and into the center of the iris. Iris is a colored part of the eye, as I have told you. The pupil controls the amount of light and the cornea focus that light. The light then passes from the pupil to the lens, and then at the lens the light is finally focused and travels back to the retina. In retina, the image is formed, and then the formation of that image is sent through the nerve impulse or optic nerve to the brain, and then brain clarify that image, and we come to know that what things we are seeing or watching or that the things which we are in front of us. This was the structure of an eye and the working of an eye. I hope you have understood well. Learn it and write down the question answers. I will send you in the form of attachment with that video. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.